Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And on today's video we are doing another house hunting video, and today I'm going to be showing you a 2-bedroomed house in this particular area, and this is Pangani area in Nairobi. And we'll be looking at a 2-bedroomed house. As you can tell, this house is almost 90% occupied, yeah, but we will have a look of how this vacant 2-bedroomed house looks like. So if you want to watch this and much more, stay tuned and keep watching. So this building has a wide staircase, as you can see. It's also being serviced by 2 lifts, one on the right and the other one on the left side of the building. The house houses about 13 floors. So this is the 2-bedroom that we'll be looking at today. This is the living area. The last owner or occupant of this house obviously loved wallpaper, so you are going to see more of that as I show you this house. But obviously this can come down when you want to occupy the house, and you can get it painted the color you want. Okay, those are decent doors with very vintage locks. And this is the main door or the front door of the house. Moving in, when you come in right this direction, you first see the hand wash basin with a mirror there, and then we have a separate bathroom and a toilet. So this is the bathroom with the towel hooks there and what have you. And this is the washroom area. That's a good thing because you can either use the bathroom, you can use the washroom at different intervals if you have more than one person living in the house, so that is quite good. And as you can tell that they have enough light coming in. That's the hand wash basin and a mirror just up there. The house is also tiled, as you can tell, and walking in this direction, this is the first bedroom. The curtain rods in this house are also available. I don't know what the previous occupant was using, because they have removed them and just put them outside in the balcony, so you're going to see them at some point in the balcony. So yeah, that's a wardrobe which is spacious enough with some shelves where you can hang your clothes. The bedroom has good lighting and it is quite spacious. That's the view on this window, looking on this direction where you can see what is happening, all the upcoming buildings from this direction. So that's the view you get from the bedroom. going to check into the next bedroom, because this is a 2-bedroomed house and this is the next bedroom. That's the window. Up there is where you are going to put your curtain rods. Again, the wallpapers from the previous tenant. And this is the wardrobe, which also has a mirror right there in the middle, some shelves, some place where you can hang your clothes. And yeah, the house is still being renovated as we were viewing it. That's the wardrobe. It's also spacious, and I think it's quite nice because they have the mirror, so you can actually use the mirror when dressing up or while you are in your room. You also have a socket there where you can charge your phone. And yeah, that's how it looks like. So moving on this direction, that's the washroom, the bathroom, the sink area. And then this way, this is the kitchen. You have extra sockets there, and these are the shelves in the kitchen. It's quite big. That's the window, and I love this window and this space here because, as you can tell, it's letting in lots and lots of light. That's some shelf there. You can also add in your items in the kitchen, and as you can tell, the kitchen is quite big. So that's the sink area there, and then out here is the small balcony for this house. And that's the view you get when you are in this kitchen. You have a tap there, and those are the curtain rods I'm talking about for the house. So yeah, that's the view and where to hang your clothes. More views. The house is currently going for 40,000 Kenya shillings. That's about $400 a month. It's a rental space, and it's a 2-bedroomed house in the heart of Pangani. It's quite spacious. It has security. It has security guards. They have Wi-Fi because they have cabled internet from Safaricom and Zuku. So whenever you want to connect any of the 2 service providers, then it's instant. Water is available 24/7 because they also have a borehole and Nairobi water connections. They also have electricity paid through tokens. And yeah, I think those are some of the basic things that you need to note if you want to move into this house. And also ample parking. If you'd like to get more information, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I can also share the numbers that you can call if you want to inquire more about this house. Thank you so much for watching, and if you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, subscribe for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to my channel for more videos. Let me also know in the comment section what kind of videos you'd love to see on my next sessions. Bye bye guys.